Hey everybody, I wanted to share with you this split flange that I bought for my F-150 with a straight 6. What happened is this flange got so rotted and rusty, it fell apart on the front pipe here. So I had to come in here with a torch and heat up and get the old bolts out, which I did. And then I was able to put this is a 2-inch pipe, and this is a 2-inch split flange. I was able to get it around the pipe and then tighten it up and get it in here. Now I did have to elongate these holes right here a little bit because the spread here is pretty wide. But I got these at Amazon. It worked really good. And you see, you take the bolts out here. And then you can take the bolt out, and then sometimes you can open it up to get it around, or you have to take it apart. But I was able to get this up in here, and I was able to fix my flange without having to replace my catalytic converter pipe. So, highly recommended. It is very strong. It came with some different hardwares. This one has, I put actually nuts on it instead of these little bullet nuts. Thought that would be better. And it's good to go. It doesn't leak anymore. I'm very happy that I didn't have to buy a new cat pipe. So if you have a flange that's broken, you can get these at Amazon. They make different sizes. It's a 2-inch. I do believe they probably make, you know, a 2 1/4 and 2 1/2, whatever you need. But yeah, this is split flange. I bought the 2-pack because I kind of figured that this one might be going bad soon, but this one's actually in better shape. So, all right, everybody. So the Amazon split flange, you get 2 in a package. You're like 20 bucks. I would highly recommend it if you need to replace a flange on your car. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner down there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my really quick automotive videos.